बहुजन नायकों के इतिहास को समेटे 2025 का बहुजन कैलेंडर आ गया है। आज ही बुक करिए अपना बहुजन कैलेंडर।
You said Ambedkar, 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 right? You don't know about Ambedkar. Who is he? अरे नीले नीले झंडों को लहराने आए हैं, फ्रिस्को शहर में भीम के दीवाने आए हैं, और नीली टोपी सर पे सजी दुनिया से निराले हैं। हम जय भीम वाले हैं, सुनो जी, हम जय भीम वाले हैं। इस दुनिया में चारों तरफ है चर्चा, जय भीम वालों का सच है। सच है हजारों पे भारी, है बच्चा जय भीम वालों का है। अरे हम जय भीम वाले हैं, सुनो जी, हम जय भीम वाले हैं। और मिस्टर अमित शाह, यू वांट टू नो अबाउट अंबेडकर? अरे जिनसे मिला भारत को एक नया विधान, जिन्होंने भारत को दी एक नई पहचान, जिन्होंने रचा देश का संविधान, वो है मेरे बाबा साहेब अंबेडकर महान। And he said, he made a remarks on our Masiha, and that is really not just disrespectful. That's an attack on the values that bind our nation together. Dr. Ambedkar, a visionary who dedicated his life to uplifting the oppressed and creating a society which is based on equality, fraternity and liberty. Who drafted the constitution to replace the chains of Manusmriti with the promise of liberty, equality and fraternity. And you all know Manusmriti. Lately we had December 25th, wherein on 1927 Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar, he publicly burned the Manusmriti because that divides the people among different castes, which they call Savan, Kshatriya, Sudra and Vaisya. And that is what they want to replace Indian constitution with Manusmriti. That is why they are against Christian, they are against Muslim. And if at all in future, if they declare Hindu India, which is Bharat, and I request everyone, it's not Hindustan. It's not Hindustan, and I request everyone to stop saying Hindustan. As per constitution, legally it is India, which is Bharat. Bharat, which is India. So we all have to say India or Bharat, not the Hindustan. Now they want to make it literally Hindustan, a Hindu Rashtra. And they want to implement this Manusmriti, and we don't want to support them dividing our country. Anyone want to divide our country? No. Even though we are living here, but our heart and soul are with our home country. Manusmriti was burned by Baba Saheb publicly, and then Baba Saheb had a dream and mission to have a society which is based on equality, which is why he brought Hindu Code Bill. Within 1940 and 1950, without going into the detail, in a short I can say Baba Saheb brought this to give the equality to the Hindu women who were not getting the equality. And as per Hindu Code Bill, basically it was a landmark legislative effort led by Ambedkar during his tenure as India's first law minister in the late 1940 and 50. The bill aimed to reform Hindu personal laws which were deeply rooted in patriarchal tradition and discriminatory practices. And the key provision of the Hindu Code Bill are equality in inheritance, abolition of untouchability, which was there since decades. And then there are others: marriage and divorce, monogamy, adoption rights, guardian of children. So most of the women who are here, who feel they are working, so instead of praying God, I would request them to please read what is the Hindu Code Bill. If that was not drafted, that was not brought into the Indian Constitution, you would be behind the kitchen, you were treated like a slave. It is a shame. That is the Hindu Code Bill. Now, these monsters, BJP, RSS, they are blaming and interpreting that Jawaharlal Nehru did not support and Congress did not support. Boss, let's go into the detail and talk with the intellectual people, not with the people whom you call into your Godi media. You call me, and then I will show you what exactly the history is.
They are liars.
They are liars. And Godi media is the same. Basically, Dr. Ambedkar wanted to propose Hindu Code Bill. Jawaharlal Nehru was in support, but because of the Hindu Mahasabha and behind them the RSS, which was founded in 1925 September in Nagpur, they were behind. They did lot of agitation and protest against Ambedkar, that why is he interfering into our Hindu religion. Now, after 1951, when Jawaharlal Nehru got the most of the elected seats, that is when the Hindu Code Bill was incorporated. So it is you have to give a credit to Dr. Ambedkar, and all the women have to give credit to to Dr. Ambedkar. He is like God.